isn't Q455. This is somebody else. Maybe this is A-764. I don't know. But he had two EMDs, an SD40-3 and SD40-2. Hey, look. Yeah. I nearly missed this train, but I still managed to get the locomotives. It's slowing down. He must be getting ready to go on the way cross. Yeah. There's a lot of scrap metal. Yeah, this is not Q455, but it is A-764. A-764 is another good train on CSX. Oh, it must be because he's meeting Q455 somewhere up there. But I'm pretty sure Q455 is the next train after this. Yes, guys, I nearly missed this. I didn't even hear the bells go down. Well, that's probably because I wasn't out there. See, guys, I wasn't out there. I was up here. Global ethanol. There's more Herzog cars. Herzog. Sheesh. Yeah, some of these Herzogs were on the last train that came through for this guy. I think that's another milk car there. That gray one. I thought that was the end of the train right there because of how flat that car was. Yep, that's A-764 because I can tell by that. See that car loaded there? It usually starts off with that car before reversing back, but I guess today he didn't have to reverse back. He must have been all ready to go. Yeah. A-764 is a big one today, like it usually is. at all the grain here. That red one's a BNSF. Oh, look at that, private cars. It's a private car. Yep, I got it.